our video guide on how to stop nuisance breaker from tripping. Hello, I'm Justus Marnin, your trusted electrician from Golden Rule. Have you ever experienced the frustration of a circuit breaker tripping repeatedly? It's not only annoying, but can also be a sign of potential electrical problems. In this video, we'll dive into the world of nuisance breaker tripping. We'll explore what causes it and how you can prevent it. First, let's understand what nuisance tripping is. It's when your circuit breaker keeps shutting off unexpectedly, often without a real electrical fault. This can be incredibly frustrating and disruptive. What causes this issue? Well, there are several factors, including overloaded circuits, short circuits, ground faults, arc faults, and even aging wiring. Overloaded circuits happen when you plug in too many devices into a single circuit. Short circuits and ground faults can occur due to damaged wiring or faulty appliances. Arc faults are caused by damaged wires that can lead to fires, and aging wiring may simply become unreliable over time. Now, let's address your questions. How do you stop your nuisance breaker from tripping? How do you fix a consistently tripping breaker? How do you stop nuisance arc fault tripping? And what causes nuisance tripping? Here are some solutions. For overloaded circuits, distributing the load or adding new circuit. For short circuits, identify and repair faulty wiring or appliances. Ground faults can be resolved by installing ground fault circuit interrupters. Arc faults are best addressed with arc fault circuit interrupters. Aging wiring may need a professional inspection and replacement if necessary. Remember, regular maintenance and inspections are crucial to ensure your electrical system's reliability. Perform basic checks and consult professionals when needed. In conclusion, nuisance breaker tripping can be frustrating, but with the right knowledge and solutions, you can keep your electrical system running smoothly and safely. Prioritize safety, and if you're unsure or facing persistent issues, don't hesitate to seek help from a qualified electrician at Golden Rule. Your power is our priority. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on your home maintenance and safety.